Today we're diving deep into the transformative power of minimalism, an approach to living that can lead to a happier and more fulfilling existence. So if you've ever felt overwhelmed by the clutter and chaos of modern life, you're in the right place. Get ready to embrace minimalism and unlock the joyful essence of a simpler, more intentional lifestyle. Section 1. Understanding minimalism. Before we embark on this life-changing journey, let's start by understanding what minimalism truly entails. At its core, minimalism is about simplifying your surroundings, decluttering your mind, and focusing on what truly matters to you. It's not just about having fewer possessions, it's also about making deliberate choices that align with your values and bring you genuine joy. Section 2. The benefits of minimalism. Now, why should you choose minimalism? Well, apart from the obvious decluttering benefits, embracing minimalism can positively impact various facets of your life. By removing the excess and unnecessary, you create space for what truly matters to you. This newfound space allows you to appreciate the beauty around you, fosters deeper connections with loved ones, and frees up time and energy for pursuing your passions. Ultimately, it cultivates a sense of peace, fulfillment, and overall happiness. Section 3. How to embrace minimalism. Let's dive into the practical ways you can start embracing minimalism today. Remember, it's a journey that is unique to each individual. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. However, these guidelines can help you get started on your path to a minimalist lifestyle. 1. Decluttering your physical space. Begin by decluttering your physical environment, your living space. Start with one room or area at a time and ask yourself, does this item serve a purpose, or does it bring me joy? Be ruthless in your assessment, letting go of any excess possessions that no longer align with your values or bring you happiness. Sell, donate, or recycle these items and free yourself from the burden of unnecessary stuff. 2. Streamlining your digital life. In our digital age, it's essential to declutter your digital life too. Unsubscribe from unnecessary email newsletters, delete unused apps, and organize your files and photos. By doing so, you'll create a virtual space that's just as serene and soothing as your physical environment. 3. Cultivating mindful consumption. Shift your consumption habits from mindless to mindful. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it's truly necessary and aligned with your values. Focus on quality over quantity, investing in items that bring lasting joy and serve a purpose. By becoming a conscious consumer, you'll minimize waste, save money, and prevent the accumulation of unnecessary possessions. 4. Embracing minimalist design. Beyond decluttering, incorporate minimalist design principles into your home. Opt for clean lines, neutral colors, and uncluttered spaces. Surround yourself with items that evoke a sense of peace and tranquility. Remember, minimalism isn't about sacrificing style. It's about creating a harmonious environment that nurtures your well-being. Section 4. Embracing the mental shift. Minimalism isn't just about physical changes, it also requires a mental shift. Let's explore the crucial aspects of this transformative journey. 1. Letting go of fear. Fear often holds us back from embracing minimalism. We fear letting go of sentimental items, worrying that we may need things just in case. Embrace a mindset of abundance, recognizing that you will be surrounded by all you truly need and cherish. Encourage yourself to detach from material possessions and embrace the freedom that minimalism provides. 2. Cultivating gratitude. Gratitude is the fuel that propels minimalism forward. By deeply appreciating what you have, you'll naturally desire less. Practice gratitude daily. Write down 3 things you're grateful for, or dedicate a moment each day to reflect on the blessings in your life. This practice will shift your focus from what you lack to the abundance and beauty already present. 3. Prioritizing experiences and relationships. Minimalism encourages us to prioritize experiences and relationships over material possessions. Invest in creating lasting memories, whether through travel, quality time with loved ones, or pursuing personal growth. Shift your focus from accumulating things to cultivating meaningful connections and experiences. The true treasures of a happy life. Conclusion. Embracing minimalism isn't always easy, but the rewards it offers are immeasurable. Remember, this is your personal journey. Take the principles that resonate with you and adapt them to your own life. By simplifying your physical and mental spaces, you open the doors to a life filled with joy, purpose, and fulfillment. Now, it's time to take that first step towards a minimalist lifestyle. Don't wait. Start transforming your life today and embrace the freedom of minimalism.
Oh, the weight we carry feels so loud. Cluttered corners make us bow so proud. But strip it back, let silence sing. Feel the joy the space can bring. A heavy crown of things we own, but the heart needs room to roam alone. Unless we find what sets us free, a life unchained simplicity. The power of less, the beauty in small. A single step can feel like it's all. We're chasing meaning, not the glitz and gold. And